Hi everyone, Marius from Latoken here. Welcome to a new interview. And today we're gonna bring you a little closer to one of the most successful ICOs from last year. We're talking about SirinLabs. We had a chance to speak with their CMO, Nimrod May, about their latest development, Finney, a blockchain-based smartphone, and also about their Sirin OS ecosystem and the role of the SRN token. Available now on Latoken. Let's get to it.
In order to deliver the vision of bridging the gap between the blockchain economy and the mass market, we realized that we need to develop a very unique proprietary solution that basically would solve two main problems that we identified as the major reasons from preventing blockchain to hit mass adoption. And one, obviously, it's the problem of securing the user, because it's the first time in history where users needs to maintain their own assets by themselves. And the second big problem is the user experience. Basically, we have four key value propositions incorporated within the Sirin OS that addresses these two problems. One, there is a full cybersecurity suite integrated into the operating system, which includes various cybersecurity measures from intrusion prevention system, factors of authentication, and taking also this into the solution of the embedded cold storage within the wallet. And basically the third and fourth reason are to complete the vision of making this entire experience simple to use. And we do it by one, having on the phone a dedicated zone called D-Center, which is like a Google Play Store or an App Store that offers two main activities. One is dApps. We're going to be preloading dApps, the best of dApps, but each dApp requires a different token. And in order to make the tokens easy in terms of accessibility, we developed a token conversion service. So everything runs in the background seamlessly in an automatic way. Just to complete, alongside the dApps, we're going to also have a learn and earn center where we're going to be showcasing different blockchain companies, and the users would be able to interact with the different projects and get incentivized. I don't want to disclose too many things that are going to be mentioned in the launch, but basically the entire idea is to make blockchain much more, I would say, accessible and easy to use in a secure way by using the Sirin OS. I don't know how many of your users or the community member are familiar with this upcoming device. Sorry, I didn't. You're witnessing a prototype of the phone here. I didn't charge it, but basically, I don't know if you can see. There is a gap between the camera and the upper part, and this gap basically is functioning as a second screen, which is completely disconnected from the chipset of the Android. The Android is working on a Snapdragon Qualcomm 845, which is the latest chip, but our wallet is operating on a separate MCU with a firewall that's basically protecting the communication between wallet and transmissions of the transactions. The entire idea is to make blockchain much more, I would say, accessible and easy to use in a secure way by using the Sirin OS. During 2019, we will declare which blockchain is going to be connecting between all devices. We're going to be releasing an SDK alongside this blockchain. And the idea is to facilitate an ecosystem where people can develop applications that are running on decentralized best practices, enabling peer-to-peer resource sharing.